I'm here in the Morgana showroom in Milton Keynes, and we've just finished producing some samples from the new DigiCoater 400 that we launched last week. What we've got here is a sort of sample pack, which is a little bit like an album cover with a demonstration piece of vinyl on the inside with all of the spec of the machine. You can see it's got a nice coated gloss to it. And then on the inside, also in the pack, is a large format book that's also got a nice coated cover. This was made on the BM5000 using the convenience feeder to put the coated cover sheet in. I thought you might like to see how we've produced all these pieces, so there's a little bit of video to follow this, just so that you can see what we've been up to. Here we are at the DigiCoater 400 with the VFL feeder. We're just getting it set up ready to run our long sheets. Once the long sheets are coated, it's going to add more protection to the sheets and also enhance the colour vibrancy. Here you can see the printed sheets that are going to be used for the folder. They're on the feeder and they're moving through into the coater. Coating is applied, then it feeds under the IR and then goes through the UV at the very end of the process to cure, and then it's fed out into the exit tray at the end. This little bit of footage just shows the vinyl as we describe it, going into the coater, having the coating applied, passing under the IR unit before it goes through and under the UV lamps at the end, again to cure, and then out into the output tray at the very end. The next part of the process is to actually cut the folder from the flat sheets. We're going to be using the Valiani Optima 80. This is a perfect prototyping device, ideal for short run packaging, very often with high levels of personalisation. And you can cut sheets up to 20mm thick on this particular device. On this occasion, the Valiani starts by reading the black registration marks. This then enables it to follow the key line, cutting and scoring where necessary. And then once it's finished, of course you can see here, just peel off the waste and you're ready to go. That'll be folded and creased, ready to make up into a nice album cover. And now to make the book, we're going to be using the BM5000 booklet maker with its convenience feeder. This sits within the original footprint of the booklet maker and it holds up to 800 sheets of 80 GSM stock. This allows you a third pick point, so offers the flexibility to stop a large run and produce a quick job without having to alter any of the main feeder settings. This feature on a machine with the smallest footprint in its class and at a cost that's much lower than you might expect. It's a really inexpensive and effective way of producing landscape books. And now we need to make the books. So we're loading the coated cover stock into the convenience feeder, ready to merge with the inners, which are going to be hand fed into the top of the machine. So there you have it. This is the final part of our demonstration pack. Once the books are complete, we can put them all together into a nice sample pack for our customers. If you wanted any more information about the BM5000 or the Valiani flatbed cutter or the Morgana DigiCoater, then contact us at plotmatic.com and we'll be happy to help.